Hello and welcome to Ahmed's Online IT School, new IT jobs, and there's a new one, and that is IT Infrastructure Specialist offered by Seimens Company. It is located in Pickering, Ontario, Canada. Salary is not mentioned, but it is full-time. And what do they want from you? They want you to know NAS, network attached storage, SAN, storage area network backups, VMware-based in-house servers are there. So yes, you should be VCP in case you want to purchase that course from me in very low price. Then just email me. Ha ha ha! I'm marketing my courses as well. Anyway, so design, monitor, and troubleshoot wireless infrastructure and supporting systems. So wireless infrastructure. Prepare recommendations for hardware and software upgrades, patches, and process optimizations. So install, deploy, and maintain clients, peripherals, printers, including MFPs and mobile devices. Provide first and second level support, information technology support to end users. So it's kind of first and second level information technology support. University degree or diploma is required. Minimum 4 years of hands-on experience. So 4 years of experience is required. Um, Networking hardware includes servers, data storage, routers, switches, firewalls, VPN, access points. So this much you should know. VMware, Cisco, and data storage technologies. These three are the fields that you should be an expert in. Proven experience in Server 2008, 2012, 2016, SQL Server, Office 365, SharePoint Online, and Windows 7, 8 experience. So if you want to purchase MCSA courses, let me know. If you want to purchase my Office 365 video course, let me know as well. You can just email here on admin@onlineitschool.com. Okay, so just go to the company site and apply ASAP. Good luck with this job, and for new jobs, tune in. Till next time. Bye bye.